Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how you can start easily earning some free crypto. So what you want to do is download the Coinbase app. I'll put a link in the description. If you want to use my link, you can get $10 for free. Just follow all the steps in the app to sign up and get started. It's very simple. Within the app, you'll see the home screen with a bunch of different information. You'll see assets on the right with your holdings. You also have the ability to trade and do a few other things in the app, but we don't really need to get into that today. Just familiarize yourself with the home screen and the assets screen. Then we just need to tap the three lines in the top left corner. This is going to open up our menu. And what you want to do is the learning option. So you can see learning rewards $9. This will keep bringing in new options, new lessons, new ways to earn free crypto. So I'm just going to go through all of these lessons real quick. We're going to earn $3 of XCN. We're going to earn $3 of Near Protocol, and we're going to earn $3 of 00 token. And you can see some of the ones here where I earned in the past. There's a bunch of them, but it looks like it's only loading the last three. So I'm going to tap start lesson and go through these real quick. So there we go, just earned $9 in these three different cryptos. We can see my balance is increased already. Let's give this a refresh. You can scroll down to assets here and see I now have $3 00, $3 chain, and $3 Near Protocol. And here's a bunch of other ones that I have as well. If I wanted to take this and trade it, I can just come to this token, tap trade, and then tap convert. Then it's gonna let me choose what I want to convert it to. So if I just want to convert this token to Bitcoin, I'm just gonna tap max, and it's gonna allow me to convert that immediately. But that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy way to start earning crypto. If you liked this one, check out the video on the end screen. You'll probably like that as well. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.